Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to share with you the unboxing of my October Wild Hare kits. And if you hear any background noise in this video, it is my baby bunny. We just got a baby bunny last month and I'm so excited, but he is a little bit noisy when he's wandering around my craft room. So anyway, today I am sharing my October Wild Hare kit. This kit is a petite kit. It is $19.95 on the Wild Hare Kit's website. It's just a little mini kit that can be combined with the things that you already have in your stash. That way you get a few new things, but not so many that you're overwhelmed if you already have a lot of things to use up in your stash. So this was perfect for me this month, and I cannot wait to show you all of the beautiful things that I got in it. This month on my style profile on the Wild Hare Kit's website, I told Allison that I got a baby bunny, so anything from the pink Paislee Aubrun Lane line would be amazing. I love these really warm, non-traditional fall color palettes, and I also love that there is a bunny theme in the Aubrun Lane collection. So this is everything that came in my kit. Here's the little card and the note from Allison. It says Happy Bunny Crafting. And then I got this sequin mix here, and I've already used up a good portion of it. I could not wait. But I love this. This was designed by Spiegel Mom Scraps specifically for the Wild Hare kits. And Allison sent me a note, and it says, I hope you love everything in this pack. You inspired me to name the exclusive sequin pack the White Rabbit Mix. So love that. It's got whites and creams and tans and clear sequins in there. So that's gonna be really fun to work with, and I've already used up quite a few of them. And then everything else here is brand new because I realized I had to stop using it so I could film my unboxing video. So I have these really pretty Auburn Lane rub-ons. They've got so many beautiful phrases, and I love rub-ons. It's been a long time since I have worked with them, but I love them. So it comes with the little popsicle stick to rub them onto your paper with. And then here is the first one, and then there is the second page of rub-ons. That little bunny, I love it. Love the little pears. Everything on here is just so sweet. I love these colors. I love the rose gold and the pink and the purple and the browns and mustard colors for fall. I think that's totally perfect. And then matching along with all of these papers and these beautiful rub-ons are these Pink Fresh Studio Holiday Vibes wood stickers. So these are color dipped wood alphabet stickers, and the bottom half is like a white color paint, and then the top half is wood veneer. So these are super beautiful, love those, and I don't have anything like this in my stash already, so that's gonna be really fun. And then I got this really beautiful rose foil Maggie Holmes vellum paper here that has a floral pattern on it. I hope that the camera is picking up the foil. It is so pretty. And then from Pink Paislee Auburn Lane, we have this beautiful paper here. I love the triangle design. And there is the back of it is a pink stripe. And this is paper number 7. And then we have paper number 2 from the same line. It's got a wood pattern on the front, and then the back is this beautiful cream and black floral paper. And then from Crepe Paper Maggie Holmes Flourish, we have this beautiful floral paper here, and the back is this beautiful gold, and this paper is called Goldenrod. A cut apart from Pink Paislee's Auburn Lane. This is paper number 11. So many beautiful little things to cut apart and use here. And then the back of it is this gray pattern paper. And then I also requested some cardstock, so I got some plain pink. And then I have never seen this before, but this is basil and it is ombre. It starts gray at the top and goes down to like a charcoal color at the bottom. So really loving this basil ombre paper. And then on the back it's just like a plain grayish tan color. Super pretty. So there you have it. There is everything that came in my wild hair kit for the month. I am so excited to get crafting, and I will also be using a Scrap My Stash kit this month. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Go over there, check it out. I'm going to be posting it right after this video. I'm going to show you how I put together a kit using my stash that coordinates with all of these goodies, so that way I can mix and match throughout the month and use the stuff together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of these goodies. I will link the wild hair kits down below, and I hope you stick around to see all the fun projects I make this month. Bye!